In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in CapCut. So you're on your PC, you're doing your stuff, and you want to rotate your video for whatever reason. Maybe you're doing a transition, maybe you're just trying to do another editing trick. It's real easy to rotate your video. So what you can do is make sure you have the right video selected, and you're going to have the rotate option here right above your timeline, and you can go ahead and hit rotate. So what that's going to do is automatically rotate 90 degrees, so it's nice and straight, and it'll show you all of the different numbers here as well. But if you want to somewhat free rotate it to where you want it to go, what you can do is at the bottom of the actual video, what you're going to be able to see is a rotate button. So you can click and hold, and then you can really rotate it and keep it any certain degree that you want. So it's really, really easy to do unless you want it to do the 90-degree automatic rotate tool like it does here, but you can also just do it that way as well. Another way to do that is if you have the clip selected, you can also come over here where you have the option just to type it in. So we can just hit 90 degrees, hit enter, and then it does it for us there as well. So there's a couple options to go about rotating your video in CapCut. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.